back to the channel. If you guys are new to the channel, make sure you guys hit that subscribe button, hit the notification bell as well. I do drop new content on this channel every single day. So with that being said, let's get into the video. It is Thursday, April 1st, beginning of a new month. So hopefully this is a great green month in the market. And I wanted to talk today about Ideanomics, ticker symbol IDEX, currently sitting at $3.11 at the time of this video, up almost 7% on the day. And I did talk about Ideanomics back on January 7th when it was $2.98, and it actually had a run up of almost past $5 from that video till now in between, and then it's since dipped off like a lot of other stocks, but we are slowly starting to see a climb back up here at $3.11. If you can see, on January 7th, I made that video. So back around here, I said Ideanomics was a good buy, and it did run up. So hopefully people did make some profits from here. But again, fell off. We were starting to see a little level out and a little bit of a rise as of late. So I wanted to talk about that today. It's because they released their 2020 earnings, which is really why Ideanomics is pulling so strong. And I just wanted to talk about the company, get my overall updated opinion on IDEX. So let's just go ahead and get into it. So Ideanomics, you guys, I really think their name pretty much fits into what they do. So Ideanomics is a global company that facilitates the adoption of commercial electric vehicles and supports next generation financial services and fintech products. Their electric vehicle division, Mobile Energy Global, provides group purchasing discounts on commercial electric vehicles, EV batteries, and electricity, as well as financing and charging solutions. We refer to this business model as sales to financing to charging, S to F to C, which is very interesting. I've never heard that term before. And then they also have Ideanomics Capital, which provides intelligent and innovative services for the fintech industry. Together, MEG and Ideanomics Capital provide our global customers and partners with a more efficient solutions. So again, they have a lot of things going on, you guys. I think that is initially why a lot of people were interested. And then also it's kind of their downfall. Like a lot of people think they have their feet in too many different pots. But let's just go ahead and talk about it. So like I said, they have Ideanomics Mobility, which is their electric vehicle space, and obviously the recent news of the Biden administration pushing forward clean energy and the clean energy bills. I think Ideanomics is very, very well positioned given where they have their hands in the market. And you can see your projected global EV market by 2025. In light commercial vehicles, 21.4 billion, heavy commercial, 7.6, buses, 10.9, and taxi and shared vehicles, $30 billion. So obviously very, very lucrative. And then another 18 billion for public commercial charging stations as well. So like they said, they have the S2F2C business model, sales, financing, and charging. Very interesting, you guys. And they also have obviously their hands in a bunch of different companies. As you can see here, they have Medici Motorworks, developed North American specialty and pickup truck market. They have Wave, medium and heavy duty vehicles. We've got Meg, obviously the driving market in China. We've got ASEAN, which is the majority owner of Tree Electric, an approved EV manufacturer and distributor of Malaysia. So ASEAN, which is Tree Electric, is trying to dominate the EV manufacturing and distribution in Malaysia. And then if you take a look at their Ideanomics Capital, which is somewhat, they're trying to disrupt the fintech industry. So charging financial service landscape offers significant opportunities for those who embrace the technology and innovation. Ideanomics partners with clients to navigate hurdles and provides the infrastructure, tools, and advice to engage with the new economy confidently. So again, fintech industry, super interesting as well. And with the EV market and the fintech industry, I think both huge budding markets to be in. So I definitely think Ideanomics has their footing in the right direction in regards to that. And me personally, I don't think them having their hands in a lot of different things is a bad thing. Ideanomics, I mean, the name speaks for itself, right? They're taking ideas and they're moving forward with them. So let's talk about the financials that came out. So they did announce to guys today that Ideanomics reports full year 2020 financial results, and the revenues of the year for the year ended in December 31st, 2020 were 26.8 million. Significant resources available to drive long-term and growth plan. Continued strength in the EV industry. Progress in our mobility unit activities as the value of the S2F2C business model gains traction in the EV industry. So I've never really heard about the S2F2C business model before, and I think they're kind of one of the pioneers and behind that model. So that's very interesting alone. But like I said, The results, I went over them. I kind of looked them a bit. So the revenue for the year coming in at 26.8 million, and it's actually lower than the 44.6 million that they reported in 2019. But Ideanomics does say that the 40.7 million of that revenue came from digital asset management services contract that actually produced no revenue in 2020. So that explains that. So it's not like they lost a bunch of money. And then the company does also note that the majority of its revenue, the 19.5 million to be exact, came from its EV charging business. So for comparison, the EV revenue back in 2019 was 2.7. So 2.7 to 19.5 million from the EV charging business. Absolutely massive gains there, which makes sense. I mean, EV market, EV charging, everything related to EV is going up, trending super in the right direction. And then so that basically is 600% increase for Ideanomics EV revenue, okay? Which is very encouraging, extremely encouraging, and I think even now gonna probably go up even more. That could even double. And then also, I think another positive thing that came out of the financials was that more than 29 million shares of the stock have changed hands, right? So if you take a look at the volume, 35 now, 43 on average. This is going to definitely pass 43 today. And I think people are starting to look at Ideanomics very, very seriously now, especially with Biden coming out with his electric vehicle plan. Ideanomics has their feet in so many different electrical vehicle spaces that it just makes complete sense, to definitely take a look at Ideanomics if you're not looking at it already. And I definitely think Ideanomics can be a strong play if you're interested in EV stocks. Again, please do your own research at your own risk. Hit that subscribe button, hit the notification bell, drop a like on this video. And as always, you guys have a great day.